Hey, I'm BJ with Real Property Management. We have an office in DC. We also manage in Howard County, Maryland. And I'm going to talk about the importance of rental property evaluations. We do these multiple times. So we're first going to do our first evaluation when we take the property from you as the owner. You say, hey, Real Property Management, I want you to manage my property. We're going to go in and take a ton of photos of that property because we want to document the way you gave it to us and how we received it. We're probably going to do some turnovers, some fix up and some repairs there, but that's just the initial documentation. The next time we're really going to do an evaluation is from the time a tenant moves in. The property's rent ready. We're going to go in and take a bunch of documentation, a bunch of photos to document the condition the tenant received the property. And then we highly recommend doing quarterly evaluations. We charge $99 per. If you sign up for our highest plan, these are actually included every 6 months. But what we do on that is we want to reach out to the tenant every quarter and say, hey, we want to come to the property, set up a time with them. When we get there, we're going to take a few pictures of each room. We don't take 100 of every room. We want to get a couple. And if we see any damages, any issues, we're going to document that, take extra photos. But what we're looking for is there any maintenance concerns that maybe aren't being reported? Are the tenants maybe not being honest with us? If they moved in a roommate, do they have pets they shouldn't have? So there's signs of that, whether it's animal bowls, that kind of stuff, or beds where they're not supposed to be. But our idea is we want to get in, we want to see the property, and then we share that with you so you can actually see what's going on in your property every quarter. Again, we charge $99 for these right now. In my opinion, they're worth their weight in gold. There's nothing worse than having a property, you rent it, the tenants are amazing, they don't contact you, they pay rent, and they move out in 2 years, and the property is destroyed. That's thousands and thousands of dollars in expense that you probably could have fixed or talked to the tenant about during the process that would have kept you in the know, or it helped you plan for that if that was the case. But the key is to get in the property, see the tenants, fix any little maintenance items, and just so you know what's up with your rental. It is your most important investment. It's worth a lot of money, and we want to make sure our tenants are taken care of it. So that's the value to us of doing property evaluations. Again, I'm BJ with Real Property Management. If you have any questions, give us a call. Look forward to talking to you.